Hay kemudi kau kan?
Teman di pan. Iho itu banyak.
I'm very happy to be here today. This is my first visit to this part of the district and my first visit to your village. And I just wanted to thank all of you for the very warm reception. It is a very cold day. You have been waiting here for the past 4 hours. I apologize because I have come all the way from Delhi this morning. I left at 7 o'clock. I had inauguration of the Sora Government College building today at Sora. And after that we have come here